Hello, 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 hello! Once again, this is Lance Liam and for today's video, tayo po ay nagluto ng shrimp thermidor. Ayan po ay isang bake. Alright? So, at napakasarap din yan. One of the famous and heirloom recipe in our family. So, tara na! Ayos na ito! Kain na! At napakabango nitong ating shrimp thermidor. So this is our dinner for tonight and have a nice day. Thank you so much guys for your love and non-stop support. God bless you. Kainan na. Ayan, ay kahit isa lang yan, ako pwede na. Masarap yan ay sausaw sa mainit na kanin. Alright. So nilagyan din natin yan ng taba ng talangka. Yan po yung sauce niya, yung crab paste. So para lalong mas malasa